I have a master's in psychology that I do not use, but one of the creepiest things that I've ever learned about is split brain theory. There was a series of experiments done in the 1960s specifically to treat patients with severe epilepsy, essentially separating the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. And once these two halves of the brain could no longer communicate to each other, researchers noticed some very bizarre and unsettling things. We all know the differences between the left and the right brain. The left side is often very logical. The right side is more involved in emotional processing. They found in patients with a split brain, whenever an object is shown to the right, which is processed by the left, the individual is able to name exactly what the object was. But when the same object was shown to their left side, processed by the right side of the brain, individual could not say what it was, but they could draw it. There's been cases with patients after going through the surgery where a patient's left and right hand will act completely independently of each other. For example, one hand will literally slap the other one, or a patient will reach for an object with one hand while the other hand will deliberately move that object away. In one case, a patient's right hand was literally buttoning his shirt while the left hand was actively unbuttoning it, which is now for some people called alien hand syndrome. The reason that this theory and research gives me such existential dread is because it challenges us being one consciousness. If my brain could be cut in half and they could both function independently, who am I? And it just makes me wonder how very real this could all be.